are wet.
Stinky too. Okay, a big day for Winton School. Everyone will be on the buses soon and making their way down here to Stadium Southland.
Make sure you are listening to your teachers. There will be a lot of us all in one group, and we'll be moving around, performing and mixing with hundreds of other students.
Have fun, sing sweetly and go big. Okay, most students are doing the right thing and wearing their high-vis vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
And if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Birthday news. A big kia ora to Annalena Mackie Farley turning 10 today. Double digits.
Happy birthday, Annalena. Have a great day.
And that's all for today. From everyone here at the NEWS team, ka kite a pūpū.
Stay clean, stay dry, and kia kaha, Winton School.